disclaimer. Alright, disclaimer, I did have 3 glasses of wine because it's Lunar New Year, and what's new? What's a Lunar New Year without some drinking? What is English? I was gonna say something. Oh my god, it's not good filming this after 3 glasses of wine. Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to be testing out Bbia pen liner. I've never tried this pen liner before and it's super popular in Korea, so I thought I would try it out myself. So a couple key points for this pen liner. It is a tank type pen liner. So what that means is that there's a ball in here that pushes the product out so that it doesn't dry out. So on the website it shows you like a diagram. There's a ball in there that keeps pushing the product out. Second point is that you only need 1 application. You don't need to go over a couple times to get that dark color. The color is so dark that 1 application is enough. Second is the pen type. You could draw a very thin line or very thick line with this pen. And last point is that you could remove this with just lukewarm water. Okay, so let's open it up. I got the color Sharpen Black in number 1. It looks like your regular pen liner, although it's a bit fatter. So this is the Clio pen liner, and I don't know if you could see it, but it is slightly bigger than the Clio one. I really like the Clio one. It lasts all day and it doesn't move, so I really like this one. But let's see if this will compare. So this is how the pen looks like. It's very thin, and then let's see, back of my hand. Ooh, that's pretty black. See if I could draw a thin line. Ooh, that's pretty thin. Let's now apply this on my eye. On the right side, I'm gonna apply primer, and on the left side, I'm just gonna leave it as is. It does say that you should powder your eye, so I'm gonna do that. But I just want to see how it is with a primer. I'm just gonna get my translucent oil control powder and apply it all over. So I applied the powder, and then let's zoom in and apply on my eyes. So I'm gonna apply on this side first. I'm really nervous because I haven't worn liquid liner in a long time. Okay, right off the bat, I could tell that this is a very, very dark liner. Like, that was just 1 stroke and it's black. Usually with like my Clio liner or any other liner, I have to go over a couple times to get it this dark, but wow, I'm really impressed already. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't let it dry. Oh no, I didn't let it dry. Do you see that? I didn't let it dry. Okay, other than the fact that I kind of messed up, look how black the liner is. Wow. And it was very easy to apply. I can't believe how dark it is. It's so dark. And I didn't even go over a couple times. That was just 1 application. Alright, let's do this side. So this is the best I could do. It's as even as it's gonna get. Alright, so a couple things I noticed about this pen. First of all, it's black. The blackest liner that I've tried so far. It doesn't dry out. So even if the liner is new, after applying it, I have to like shake it, but I didn't feel the need to shake with this pen. The tip is so pointy and thin that I was able to make that thin line at the end. It was very easy to use. No stress, no fuss. I really like it. I'm gonna be wearing this all day, and I'll check in to show you how it's doing. Right now I'm in my bathroom because I want to show you if this will rub off with warm water. I just ran my hand under cold, hot water. Yeah, it rubs off. But I have to rub it pretty hard. Okay, let's try with just cold water. This is it with cold water. still rubs off pretty fine. Interesting. Maybe I'm rubbing too hard. Alright, so I just wanted to check in with you. It is, oh, I realized I didn't tell you the time. So when I applied this, it was around 12 o'clock. It is now 4:42, so it's been around 4 hours. And just look at this. Nothing, guys. It's still perfect. It didn't move around. It still looks so good. I'm gonna wear it till the end of the day, possibly through the night. So let me show you how it looks when I'm ready to wash it off. Alright, so now it is 10:40. I have officially worn this eyeliner for about 10 hours. I have officially worn this liner for 10 hours. I must say my eyeliner looks so good. It didn't transfer onto the top of my lid. It still looks sharp. It still looks fresh. I am so impressed. This is probably the best eyeliner I have ever used. When you have hooded eyelids, it will transfer onto the upper part of your lid. Like, it would transfer, and it didn't. I was gonna say something. Oh my god. I have really oily eyelids, and all the liners that says long wearing, non-smudge, it smudges. It goes all over my eyelids, but not this. This is awesome. If you have hooded eyelids and you're concerned about your pen liner, you know, transferring onto the upper lid, try this. Now I understand why people love this eyeliner. If you have hooded eyelids, if you have oily eyelids, if you have trouble drawing thick line or thin line, get this. Get yourself one of these. Okay, this is the Bbia Last Pen Liner eyeliner. Get yourself one. Try it yourself. Leave in the comments what you think of it if you do purchase it, or leave in the comments like if you do use it. Share with the community what you think of this. Share how awesome this liner is so that we could share the awareness. Anyways, yeah, this pen is awesome. 10 out of 10. No, I didn't say 10 out of 10. 10 billion out of 10. That is it for my drunk front. Alright, so that is it for my drunk first impression. This wasn't supposed to be a drunk first impression, but here we are. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this drunk first impression, subscribe, support, give me some love by liking this video, comment what I should try out next, and I'll see you in my next one.